Today we discuss the topic percentage. Percentage means hundredth part. Percentage means hundredth part of a number. Here we have 100 squares. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns. So 100 squares are here. If we choose the first 3 squares, this represents 3 by 100. Or it can be represented as 0.3. Or it is 3%. So we can represent this 3 by 100 in decimal form, also in percentage form. Percentage means it's the 100th part. Okay. 3% equals 3 by 100. Similarly, a number a percentage equals a by 100. How can we convert percentage into fraction? We divide it by 100. Okay. If we divide it by 100, we get it into percentage. It into fraction. Okay. What is 20%? 20% equals 20 by 100. That is equal to 1 by 5. 3 by 5 equals a number 3 by 5 equals 3 by 5 into 100. That is equal to 300 by 5 is equal to 60%. Here also percentage. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 100%. Okay. Next is the relative percentage. Next we define the term relative percentage. If A is X% more than B, if A is X% more than B, then B is less than A by, then B is less than A by X by 100 plus X into 100%. Similarly, if A is X% less than B, then B is more than A, then B is more than A by X by 100 minus X into 100%. Okay. Now we discuss some problems in percentage. By what percentage 4 by 5 of 70 less than 5 by 7 of 112? 4 by 5 of 70. It is 4 by 5 of 70. That is equal to 4 by 5 into 70. That is equal to 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 4 in 14 into 4. That is equal to 56. Also 5 by 7 of 112 equals 5 by 7 into 112. That is equal to 80. what percent 4 by 5 of 70 is less than 5 by 7? Okay, we know that if the required percentage is 80 minus 56 divided by 80 into 100. 80 minus 56 by 80 into 100. So the answer is 30. So we get 30%. 4 by 5 of 70 is less than 30% than 5 by 7 of 1 tall. Next problem. A batsman scored 110 runs which include 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. What percentage of his total scores did he make by running between the wickets? Okay. So, the number of runs made by boundaries. The number of runs made by boundaries is 4 into 3. And number of runs made by sixes is 8 into 6. 48. So, number of runs made by running. Number of runs made by running. That is equal to 110. Total runs is 110 minus 12 plus 48. We subtract the runs made by boundaries and sixes. We get the number of runs made by running. That is equal to 110 minus 60 equal to 50. So 50 runs made by running. We have to find the percentage of his total scores did he make by running between the wickets. So we find the percentage of runs made by running. So the required percentage equals required percentage equals 50 by 110 into 100 percentage. Okay, that is equal to 45 and 5 by 11 percentage.